Around about 2 years back, I was scouting for boho attires that I can carry to office. That's when I had a social encounter with Vedah Designs, and since then till today, I've been very closely associated with this brand. Today also, what I'm wearing is a wonderful choga, customized by Vedah Designs as per just one need that I had called out, that I need something which is loose and which is the fabric should be breathable and it should have a boho element to it. The kind of service that brand gives you is so personalized, and everything is just so well put together that you would want to wear the same attire maybe every day. So yeah, that's actually Vedah Designs for me. So guys, explore it. Absolutely 100% recommendable brand.
Hi guys, this is Pavit and I'm here to talk about boho. Well, I've recently got introduced to boho by Vedah Designs, and the experience was absolutely amazing. So I got this pink kurta and this block print harem pant, quite ensemble in nature, yet very bold and breathable. I always needed a boho, that could fly at an Indian wedding, and that's when I chanced upon Vedah Designs. So, I ordered these hoping that the delivery time would be a little longer, but it just arrived in time. And yeah, I'm absolutely a happy customer and a customer for life. Good job, Vedah Designs.
Hi, these are my new pants from Vedah Designs. They're made in New Delhi, India, and they're custom to my svelte body, my unsvelte body. But they're the greatest pants. You can wear them outside, inside to sleep, awake, playing. They're block print cotton. I just love them. Thanks.